Hyundai driver faces $12,000 bill after water bottle short-circuits EV a seemingly harmless spill. A $2 water bottle tipping over in a Hyundai Ioniq 5 has left one driver facing a repair bill exceeding the price of many used cars. The incident highlights a critical and often overlooked vulnerability in modern electric vehicles, their sensitive electrical systems. The incident and the damaged Mike McCormick was driving on a Florida highway when sudden braking sent a water bottle airborne. The liquid contacted wiring harness connectors under the seats, triggering a cascade of electrical failures. Within minutes, warning lights illuminated, turn signals stopped functioning, and the car became impossible to shut off. The diagnosis from a Hyundai dealer was severe. Both the underfloor and underseat wiring harnesses required complete replacement. The final cost? A shocking $11,882.08. Why this matters: this case isn't isolated. Hyundai has classified the damage as caused by an external factor, meaning the owner is fully responsible. Insurance claims were also denied, with State Farm arguing the damage appeared to be from gradual corrosion, not the immediate spill. This raises questions about the design and placement of critical wiring in EVs. While cars have always been susceptible to electrical issues, the high-voltage systems and tightly packed components in modern EVs may amplify the consequences of even minor liquid intrusion. Recurring electrical issues in Hyundai EVs, the Ioniq 5 isn't alone in facing these kinds of unexpected costs. Another owner reportedly received a five-figure bill after a similar wiring harness failure. The issue extends beyond accidental spills. Even routine maintenance, like brake pad replacement on the high-performance Ioniq 5N, requires specialized and expensive Hyundai tools, costing upwards of $6,000. Unofficial workarounds exist, but risk voiding warranties or causing further damage. The incident underscores a growing concern among EV owners. Unlike traditional combustion engines, where mechanical repairs are often straightforward, electric vehicle repairs can be prohibitively expensive due to proprietary parts and software locks. The bottom line: a simple water bottle spill resulted in a nearly $12,000 repair bill for a Hyundai driver. This case is not just an outlier. It reflects a broader design vulnerability in modern EVs, where even minor liquid damage can trigger catastrophic electrical failures. This incident forces the question: should manufacturers or insurance companies bear responsibility for such incidents, or should owners bear the full cost of increasingly complex and fragile vehicle systems?